Welcome back to the channel. It's Paul here from Kanawha Family Adventures. So guys, yes, as you can see, I am doing a review today on the Holiday Inn Express on Flowing Springs Road, just outside Charlestown. This is the hotel that's nearest to Charlestown races, unless you're actually staying on one of the on-site hotels over there. I've stayed here a few times for business and think it's a great little hotel. I'm just going to run through everything and all the facilities that they provide. So you come through the double doors, reception is on the right hand side, a little seating area on the left, and everything's really easy to work out on this hotel. It's only across about 4 floors. Everything's really well signposted. Hey guys, I have just checked into the Holiday Inn Express Charlestown on Flowing Springs Road. I'm going to give you a little room tour. I've stayed at this hotel a couple of times before. I quite like it here, to be honest. The facilities are really good and the staff are always friendly. It's a great location for what I need when I'm in West Virginia. So I'm gonna, I'll turn around and show you what I can see. I'll start with the door, of course. As you come in, you have your evacuation plan and a little door hanger. So you can say not ready yet or not ready yet. So that means you don't want them to come in. A little lock on the door and everything, and an additional lock down here. Just as you turn right from the door, you come into the bathroom. You have little hairdryer on the wall, tissues, single sink, mirror high, and you have Dove body lotion and hand wash here, the toilet, plenty of spare towels, and then you have the bath and shower in here, which is absolutely grand. Everything I need. Little hook on the back of the door, which works quite well. This is a twin room, two queen size beds. So just as you come on in, just the left hand side, you have a safe on the floor there, which is complimentary. Ironing board, iron, and then some hangers here and hanging space and a little shelf to put things up there. Again, perfectly fine for what I need. Just here on the right hand side, you have a fridge or a cooler, a little microwave, and a little Keurig coffee machine with some little pots, little cups there to use, little waste paper basket. Just coming on in, big full length mirror here down this side, and a little luggage hold area. And then just looking back here, you can get the full full look of the room. 2 queen size beds on the right hand side. The beds are very comfortable from what I remember. You have a big unit here with a okay size TV. I don't know what that would be, maybe 32, 36 at the most. It's not huge, but it's absolutely fine. Plenty of space there. Over here next to the bed, you have loads of USBs. So there's 4 normal USBs and 3 American plugs, and then you have a little radio alarm clock there. Light here, telephone. Second bed, and then over here you have a little desk area, another nice mirror on the wall, little lamp there to help you that you're going to do some work here, and just a wee occasional chair with another lamp on the right hand side, and there's a little table there. Air conditioning unit. I'm just going to show you my view out the window. So I've got a lovely pool view. So they do have an outdoor pool here. I have been in it many years ago. The last time I was here it was closed because it was too cold. It's wrong time of year, but it is open again now, so I might be having a little dip in there at some stage. Not too many people around there, and they don't have the beds out, so I'm not sure if it is actually open. I'll have to check reception, but that's not bad to waking up into in the morning. So this is me picking up again from where I've left reception. You just come out of reception, turn left. Down this corridor takes you towards the elevator shaft. There's also vending and access to the pool area down here. So again, this is all like within a 20-second walk from reception, so the hotel's really well laid out. I'm just going to take you out here and show you the pool area. You see it is open quite late. Unfortunately, I had just missed it again. This time it wasn't going to be open until the following week. They had filled it up and dosed it, but it just wasn't ready to use. I have been here before when the pool was in use, and there's always a great atmosphere, and it was well used, a good addition. So again, coming back in from the pool, just the lift shaft there where I would take it up to my room. There is a ice machine and a vending machine which takes both card and cash, which is actually a nice touch. There's so many places don't take cash anymore, and I would normally take a half cash for when I'm on business. And I have got caught short before where I've come back from dinner and not had any water, so you can always pop down here. It's quite reasonably priced as well. So just coming back here to the lift shaft, and then I'm going to walk back towards reception. The laundry area it wasn't on that floor, it's on another floor. It's on floor 2 and floor 4, I think, and it's quite reasonably priced. So when you come out the lift shaft, I'm just going to turn around and show you the lift shaft that I would have come out from my room. So just there, you see the vending area, etc. And this is me walking back towards reception. Again, no time at all to get there, really well laid out, really well signposted. You see the signage here telling you where you're going. It'd be impossible to get lost in this hotel. First door on the left hand side here is going to be the gym. I would use the gym before work or after work sometimes when I'm on business, when I have a little bit of spare time. It's not the biggest gym in the world, but it's complimentary, and when you think that it's free, it'll absolutely do the job for you you need. There's rules on the wall. Keep you right, just to make sure you're not going to hurt yourself, and what they cover and what they don't. Clocks so you can keep an eye on the time, and scales. And a drinking fountain. TV on the wall with a remote control. I didn't put the TV on, I normally just listen to music through my headphones, but the option's there if you want to put it on. Some of the machines as well, like the cross trainer and treadmills, etc., had TV options on there, so you could have the TV on while you're on the machine, which was quite a nice touch. So you can see there two treadmills, a CrossFit, a bike, a sit-down bike. There's yoga mats, there's balls there, there's a weights bench you can see there. Fully air conditioned, and you can control that inside if you want. That window's closed, but if you open that up, you're looking out towards the pool area. And then there's some free weights here as well, just next to the towel station. So again, you see in the corner there, there's free complimentary towels. There's a phone in case you get in any kind of trouble, a towel return, air conditioning controller there, although it was set at quite nice temperature, complimentary towels. There's a cleaning spray and towels to clean the materials down, and then the weights for your use. So just back out the door from the gym, heading on along the corridor. Again, next turn on the left hand side takes you into the breakfast area. This also serves as a little lounge area, I suppose. You see there's a TV on the wall, and there's sofas there in case you want to come and sit of an evening. The breakfast here is included, it's included in the price, and prices for the hotel, they normally sit around $100 a night, but when you think that includes an all-you-can-eat breakfast, that's pretty good. So you have all your coffees, teas, coffee mates, complimentary juices. There's orange juice, apple juice, water, fresh fruit that they're more than happy to take with you. Cereal station, you have all your condiments and things here for your porridge, brown sugar, cinnamon, dates, paper plates and cutlery, etc. And then they kind of mixed up a little bit. Sometimes there was bacon, egg, sausage, breakfast potatoes, and various types of eggs that would change from boiled to scrambled eggs. Sometimes they had omelettes out there. And I have to say the food was very good. Always handy to have a fresh pancake maker, and then you have your different jams, spreads, etc. here. I didn't use a pancake maker, but it seemed very popular. You have all your condiments, sauces, honey, syrup and things there. Toaster, selection of breads, bagels, muffins, little fairy cakes in there. They have some gluten-free options, although they're quite low when I was there. And then in here they have a hot station with hot cinnamon rolls with frosting, which were absolutely delicious. You have to have those in America. It's the only place in the world where you're allowed to eat that for breakfast. You have various milks and yogurts and things in there. So absolutely fab breakfast. They have this really good shuttle service. I think I put some footage in of the little shuttle bus, branded Holiday Inn Express shuttle bus. They will take you anywhere you want to go. If you were staying here and didn't have a car or didn't want to drive, they will take you anywhere you want to go within a 2-mile radius, which takes you right in the centre of Charlestown, where all the restaurants and that are. They'll drop you off there free of charge. You get a number, you call them, they'll come and pick you up and bring you back again free of charge. Obviously there's a lot of people who stay here who do go and use the casino and go to the horse racing track. There's horse racing on tonight. I'm going to go over for a bit of fun. And you just give them a call later and they'll come back and pick you up and bring you back to the hotel absolutely free of charge. It's a great little service. I think it's very popular here. There seems to be more people here today than there was yesterday. I don't know if that's coincidental that it's a Thursday night or coincidental that tonight there's horse racing on and people come in just for that. Don't know. I've been over before. It's good fun. American racing is completely different to racing in the UK, but it's good fun. I don't gamble much. I'm maybe like a couple of dollars a race, something like that, just for a bit of fun. But I'm going to go over and get some footage just to show you guys what it's like, and I'll take you along with me. It's always a fun night out over here at the races. I don't go to the casino, but you have to walk through it to get to the races. I'm not a gambler. I normally do that a couple of dollars a race, and it's good crack, really good fun. And the shuttle bus is complimentary, and you can call them to take you back whenever you want. So yeah, nice little evening out. You can go over there for dinner. There's various food options over there if you wanted, and then you just call the shuttle bus and they come and pick you up to take you back to the hotel. I think the races are on Thursday, Friday, Saturday most weeks, but that changes depending on the season. So guys, I hope you found the review of the hotel useful. It's quite a decent little hotel for around $100 per night with a breakfast included, free shuttle bus options wherever you want to go. They have a little business centre here. I didn't really show much of that earlier, but it's really dated old computer things to print out. I don't know who would actually use it nowadays, to be honest, but it is there if you need it. And the rest of the hotel is very comfortable. They give you warm, fresh cookies when you arrive every evening, and they always welcome you when you come back to the hotel. Staff are always super friendly, and anything you need to ask them, they'll help you out with in any way at all. So recommend the hotel. It actually serves a great purpose for me when I'm on business. The rooms are comfortable and the staff are friendly and the hotel is clean. The location is great, plenty of food options nearby, and it kind of gives me everything I need. So thank you very much. If you did enjoy the video, please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. There'll be plenty of other hotel reviews coming up, and there's already a stack of content on the channel in relation to restaurants, hotels and general holiday content.